Hey YouTube, welcome again to Beauty and the Budget, and this is part 4 of my wig try on series. And for this one I am debuting one of Outre's newest hairlines, which is the the big beautiful hair lace front wig. Alright, so I am a fan of big hair. We know this. Everybody who knows me knows this, right? Despite my latest buzz cut, I love big hair. Now Outre has come through with this one, okay? Now the one that I'll be trying on is the Crown Curls, which is in their newest premium line for big beautiful hair. It's a line that they've had before, but they've started making additions, and trust me, it look worth it. But you guys be the judge and tell me. All right, so this is what it's supposed to look like. The color that I got is DR425. Now this is a lace front here, soft lace front. It has pre-pluck parting, baby hairs at the hairline, and it's naturally curly, and it's a very soft kind of synthetic. I would not recommend you putting any kind of curling irons on it because it's already curled. When our curl I go. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, time to get to trying on this beauty. Can you tell that I'm excited? I am so excited right now. For me, this is big hair heaven. Look at this hair color. And it is a dark root. It's a dark root that fades out to a cranberry kind of color. So I don't know what kind of resolution you have on your screen right now, but think of a cranberry Kool-Aid, not as harsh, but cranberry is the color, but very vibrant, right? This is an excellent wig for going out, summer fun, party, or if it's part of your personality, people already know that they're gonna find you up in these colors anyway. Alright, so we're gonna try it on. It has a parting space, clearly defined, and there's also pre-plucked baby hairs that, well, I don't know if you can see them, but they're right here. Alright, I have already cut off the lace to make things easier. And I'm going to show you what the underside of this cap looks like. So it is a mesh cap. So you have the label at the back from Outre, and you have a comb at the back, and there are 2 combs on either side. So you have one here and one on the other side for security, of course. And then you'll have the bands. All right, so you have the adjustable straps that you can use to ensure that this baby stays close to you. So without further ado, let's try her on. Oh yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. I love this. I am loving this color. The curls feel so soft. They feel really soft. They feel really amazing, guys. And it's one of these types of hair that the older it gets, the nicer it looks. Like, the more natural it looks. And I see what Outre did. Outre kind of gave it a little, you know, a little swoop-de-doop, a little style. And of course, if you're one of those persons who have the time, so the baby hair is there, so that's there now for you to trim it down. So you're gonna trim it off and style to your comfort, right? So it's for you to, there you go, to pull out all them baby hairs, which is a completely different video. That is a styling video. And you pull out your baby hairs. I think I lost my baby hairs over here, right? And then of course you're gonna style. The parting space is perfect, and yeah, and the fall and flow is, this wig is perfect. I like it. Let me show you what the back looks like. Sorry, this wig is just super duper awesome. So guys, look at the back. And this is the view from the side. So if you're one of those persons who really is into customizing your wigs, which is a good thing, you can choose to trim it up. But there are some people that like it smaller and in a particular shape. But the honest truth is, this really doesn't need it. There I go with the earrings again. I swear I'm going to stop wearing earrings. But this is what the stock card looks like. And this is what the hair itself looks like. Now, you're seeing a little bit of the lace because I didn't want to put too close because I wasn't ready to style it as yet. So that's what's happening right there. So this is not a styling video. This is just me trying it on so you can get a feel or see what it's like. All right, so I like this. Tell me what you think. I'm waiting in my new wig. Yeah, but for real guys, this is Outre. You done good. You done good. I can't stop touching it. It is so soft. It is so soft. And that's why I love synthetics, because it's not every synthetic. Once upon a time, synthetics used to mean dry, trashy, plasticky looking kind of hair. But no, honey. No, boo-boo. Not anymore. The synthetic nowadays, they come to take your money. Like this one. So, tell me what you think and leave your comment in the section down below. Remember to like, subscribe to Beauty and the Budget. Take care.